Okay, so here we have a Guardians of the Galaxy Pro. One thing, I know they sell stuff for this, but I don't know, it's just one of those things. This is, I got this brand new in box. It's a great game, but this is a game that I plan on, trading eventually. I had man, how far back do I want to go? I had a Foo Fighters, traded it for Avengers, traded it for Venom, traded it for Guardians. I'm just going to keep moving one of these around. So anyway, one thing that kind of bugs me when I'm playing, that LED right there is just hitting me right in the face. And they sell a little like purple gem or whatever that goes in there, but that changes color. So for pretty much free, 3D printed a little clear ring. I even thought about cutting it in half, so it's just the front half of the ring, so the LED just lights up the inside. But all I did was I came up here and I just kind of squeezed that together a little bit. I don't know if I can do this one-handed. I can spread it apart back again. It'll pop in there. There we go. So kind of center it a little bit with my finger. But now, instead of getting blasted in the face, you just have a clear ring. That's just, so I think that's pretty good for free. Sadly, if I wanted to like sell these, 95% of the cost would be shipping. So, I don't know, but yeah, if I wanted that LED to be brighter, I would just cut that ring in half to where it doesn't have to go through 2 layers of filament, just have to go through one. But I think that looks pretty good for free. I like it.